Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research around for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Orientica. House of Orientica is a branch of House of Al Haramain. They been around for more than 15 years. Well, Al Haramain been around for more than 50 years, but Orientica brand itself has been around for more than 15 years, and they have quite an extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio, and lately they've been doing amazing fragrances on the luxury side of things. Okay, so this one is from the luxury line of fragrances or perfumes, and this is called Orientica Luxury Collection Exclusive, and this is Azure Fantasy Extrait De Parfum. I think it's 80 ml. So this one was sent to me for transparency, sent to me by Orientica for review. All opinions are mine. They didn't pay me. This video is not sponsored. No money exchange hand, and all they ask me to do is to review this fragrance for you guys for your information. So with that out of the way, let's get into the unboxing. So as always with House of Orientica, the luxury line, amazing presentation, beautiful design, almost retro design to it. This is turquoise color, or light turquoise color with silver trimming. Very attractive, very heavy box, very thick plastic box. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing. You can do it about it. Okay, so very attractive box, thick, very nice on the eye, nice in the hand, feels very luxury, and it opens like this, like a book. And look at the bottle. The bottle is absolutely amazing. So this is similar bottle to the rest of the line, and it's 80 ml Extrait De Parfum. And let's get the bottle out. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. Where do you get presentation like this? Although this one is on the pricier side of things, it retails for £200. Although if you go online and do your research, you can find it discounted here and there. The only thing is, for some reason, it's quite hard to find right now. Even Orientica, they don't have it on their website, so probably they're just catching up with the orders, or they are in the next few weeks and months is going to be more available of it. So this one is unisex, and the perfume itself, let's see how it goes. So beautiful bottle, look at that gorgeousness, absolutely amazing. And heavy cap. This cap is pure metal, and the atomizer should be pressurized. Here we go. It's not pressurized, but it's very good atomizer. Okay, so this is Orientica luxury line, and this is Azure Fantasy 80 ml Extrait De Parfum. Whoa, he's filling the room. Citrus, woo. Citrusy, green, aromatic, fresh, very happy. As the color suggests, bright turquoise is very happy, very aquatic, quite floral, a hint of woodiness in here, but clean. Okay, here we go. Wow. They did it again. So the first thing it hits me is the quality. The quality is superb, very rounded, very smooth, very high quality ingredients in here. So £200 is quite a, considered purchase, but if you want the best of the best, this is for you. They didn't basically shortcut anything. They put the best of the best they can in terms of presentation, in terms of bottle, in terms of smell, in terms of the ingredients, in terms of perfumery. Perfumery is superb in here. Oh my goodness, very well blended, very good balance of ingredients in here. Nothing shouts out, nothing too much, nothing too little. It's very well done. So this one, again, it's because it's very fresh and happy and summery fragrance, and it's quite clean. It reminds me to some extent again to Imagination by Louis Vuitton, but it's not 100%. So it goes that direction, but I would say about 60-70% similarity to that one. Also, it's got similarity to Tom Ford Lime Azure, I think it was called, to some extent. Again, it's not a copy of that one, maybe again around 60-70% similarity to that one as well. And also to some extent it reminds me of Tom Ford Neroli Portofino. So again, it's in that direction, in that category of fragrances, if you like. So very happy, very fresh, very refreshing. I definitely smell, yeah, definitely smell neroli in here. Definitely smell some white florals. Also quite aromatic in the same time. And the citruses right now are massive. So there's a big citrus in here. Most likely to be a combination of citruses, lime, lemon, grapefruit, a little bit of ginger feel to it as well. So it gives it a little bit of that gingery feel. Very nice. So let me read you the ingredients and we take it from there. So the ingredients, according to Orientica, bergamot, ginger, I was in the right ballpark, mint, nutmeg. So it is quite minty, but the mint is not out of place. It's not a toothpastey. It's not too much of it. It's just a hint of it. Everything in here is just a hint of here and there, and overall it's quite balanced, and they work with each other very well, these notes and accords. In the mid we have geranium, jasmine and lily of the valley. Yes, it is quite a white floral dominant, and giving it a little bit of powderiness as well. Just a hint of powderiness in here. Again, it's not too much powderiness, but there is a powderiness overall to it. Musk, ambergris and gagwood. So a little bit of woodiness in the base, but the woods is here very clean. It says gagwood, I don't get gagwood. I get more like cedar, maybe clean cedar in here. Ambergris, to some extent is watery, is aquatic, but to my nose is not salty. And musk, yes, it's quite musky from beginning. Musk was quite apparent, but the musk is here is again very clean, and also giving it that powderiness a little bit. The combination of the lily of the valley and the musk in here giving it a little bit of that powderiness. But overall, it's got a little bit of nutty feel coming from that nutmeg. Although I'm smelling something like it, maybe tonka bean in the base, which is not mentioned in here. But again, very clean. There is no there's nothing here out of place. There's not challenging here. This is very easy going fragrance. This is one of the easiest going fragrance out there in the market, or out there, you know, in the world. Very easy, very fresh, very refreshing, very happy, very summery, very clean. But in the same time, it's quite complex. It's quite deep. It's quite dense. It's quite layered. So the good thing about it here is you're getting a clean, fresh, happy fragrance, but in the same time it's not a simple one. It's not shower jelly. It's not simple. It's not on the simple side of things, because the majority of the time when you get fresh fragrance, they are on the simple side of things. But in here you're getting a very layered and complex fragrance. So definitely little hint of spiciness in here, which is coming from ginger and nutmeg mainly, and also it's quite herbal. It's a hint of herbalness again, hint of greenness, hint of herbalness. It's quite aromatic. Probably most likely there is a lavender in here, which is they're not mentioning, because I can feel something like lavender and neroli, definitely, maybe even a little bit of orange blossom in here. Citruses, yes, very big citrus on top, and it's quite green, yes, little bit of greenness, as I said, coming from like a grassy feel to it overall, but it's not too much again. White floral, definitely musky, yes, very very fresh, little bit of woodiness in the base. Overall is feel of amber, hint of amber in here, but again this is not an amber fragrance overall, but you can feel some fluffiness. Overall this is very fluffy, very effervescent, very transparent fragrance. But what a quality, what a beauty, what a fresh fragrance, gorgeous. So £200, yes, it's a big price tag on it, but if you're one of those people you want the best of the best, this is for you. Because compared to Imagination, in my opinion, this is better done. In my opinion, it's a better fragrance. It's a much deeper, denser, thicker fragrance anyway. And compared to Tom Ford Portofino Azure, no, Neroli Portofino, much more complex than that one. Compared to Tom Ford Lime Azure, much more complex than that one. So this is a tier above those, but you're paying the fragrance price tag for it, which is £200. If you find it discounted, even better, which is at the moment there are one or two places they selling it for less than the retail price. But overall, what a fragrance, what a smell, what a combination of notes, and what a quality, and a very very high perfumery in here. The perfume is done to perfection, very smooth, very rounded, but almost buttery smooth, although this is very very fresh fragrance. Usually with fresh fragrances you feel some sharpness somewhere, but here there's no sharpness whatsoever. And the amazing, smell wise beautiful. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, development, things like that, but at the moment it's feeling the room, feeling the house. So it's Extrait De Parfum, and it's very thick and dense and strong. In terms of age, this is one of those ageless fragrances. Again, it's a universal, anybody can wear it. In terms of gender, bang in the middle, again, man and woman easily can wear this one. In terms of occasion, Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, evening, daytime, casual, special occasion, anything you want. It's so good, you can dress it up, and it's in the meantime so fresh and clean, you can dress it down as well. In terms of season, definitely better suited for warmer weather, but because it's got a depth and complexity to it, you can easily wear it in winter. At the moment we are in the middle of winter, and it's cutting through very very easily. Okay guys, so that was the first impression for this beauty from the house of Orientica. This is Orientica Azure Fantasy, and what a beauty it is. The coloring is very appropriate to this fragrance. If you see that turquoise color is almost the feel of this fragrance. Very fresh, very happy, very summery, very uplifting, very inviting, very friendly, and non-challenging whatsoever. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. This one is in terms of smell and perfumery is a hidden gem, but obviously there's quite a big price tag on it. In terms of my own perfumes, if you are interested, I make my own line of perfumes. There are 20 of them in my lineup, and I'm the perfumer, I'm the worker, I'm the artist. Nobody else is involved in here. From the raw material to the perfume, I make them all myself, and they are super high quality, especially for the price you're paying. And also they are beast mode, ultra beast modes, very very strong, because I like my fragrances to be strong, so I made them as my taste is, which is strong fragrances. I'll leave them in the link as well. As always, don't forget to hit those buttons and leave a comment. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.